Hello my fashion lovers, welcome to today's tutorial. On today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make this lovely kimono jacket. Let's get straight to the tutorial. For this tutorial, we'll be using this Ankara fabric for the tutorial. And I'm cutting the front and the back together. And for the length, the width I'm making use of width 15 and the length I'm making use of is length 30. For the neck, I'm taking 3 inches for the width, and for the depth I'm taking 1 inch for the back, 1 inch for the back, and for the front I'll go down by 9 inches. I'll go ahead and connect the lines. I'll go down by 1 inch for the shoulder slope. I'll go ahead and connect. This is for the front and the back. I'll go ahead and cut out the neckline for the back and the front, and I'll also cut the shoulder slope for the back and the front. Then I'll go ahead and remove the back, and now the front. That is the neckline for the front. Come down by 3 inches for the neckline. Then I'll go ahead and cut. From that 9 inches neck depth I marked, I'll go ahead and mark 2 inches for the front side. I'll mark 2 inches, and I'll go ahead and open it up, cut it open. I'll cut it open like so. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Click on the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. I'll go ahead and connect the front, the neckline, to the 2 inches I marked. I'll go ahead and cut. If you have any question, please drop in the comment section. And this is all we have for the cutting. I'll bring back the back, and I'll go ahead and join the front and the back on the shoulder. I'll place it right side facing right side. Go ahead and join it. Stitch the two sides. Let's go to the machine. I'll go ahead and stitch the shoulder, join the two shoulders. I'll join the other side. After joining the two shoulders, I'll go ahead and bring my Asooke. See how I'm going to fix it. Fold it down. I'm fixing it by the side, joining the sides first. I'm joining by the two sides before I will fix the middle part. I'm joining the sides, the both sides. I'm matching it on top of it. Just put it on top of the Ankara fabric and sew it down for the sewing. You go ahead and stitch it down. Then when you get to the end parts, I'll go ahead and cut out the remaining part and fold it at the down parts so that the sewing will be neat. I'll sew it down, fold it and stitch it down. I'll sew these two sides, then I will fold the mouth, stitch it down. After stitching the both sides, see what I've done. Now for the front part, I'm going to measure what I have from the down all the way to the neckline and down to the hemline. I'll measure what I have and I'll go ahead and cut it. I'll go ahead and cut the Asooke. What I have is almost 66 and I'll go ahead and measure it on the Asooke. After measuring it, I will fold this Asooke into two and iron it for the front side. I will cut it off what I have and I'll go ahead and sew it down. I'll go ahead and fold the both sides. Fold the both sides, then fold it equally. Fold it, and iron it down so that it will stay down. I'll use pressing iron to iron it down. And after ironing it, this is what you will have. And I'll go ahead and insert the Ankara into the Asooke. I'll just insert it and sew it on top of the Asooke. See what I'm doing? I'll go ahead and sew it down from one end to the other end, round till I get to the neckline, then down to the other end. I'll go ahead and stitch it like so. As I'm stitching, I'll make sure that the Ankara is inside the Asooke. And I'll go ahead and sew it down. And after sewing, this is what you will have. Then I'll go ahead and attach the down part of the Asooke. I'll go ahead and attach it after stitching the middle one. I'll go ahead and attach the front. This is the front down part. See how I'm putting it? This is how we will stitch it. Go ahead and stitch it down. I'm sewing the Asooke on top of the Ankara. Go ahead and stitch it like so. If you're still watching till this moment, please subscribe, like my video, and if you have any question, please ask in the comment section. And after stitching, this is what I will have. Then I'll go ahead and mark where I want the pocket to be. The pocket is going to be on the waistline, and I'll go in by 2 inches. And this is me preparing the pocket. This is the pocket. The pocket is going to be 9 inches length, 9 inches. And I'll go ahead and fold the upper part and the lower part, then attach on the jacket, on the Asooke jacket. I'll go ahead and fold the upper part and the lower part before attaching to my Asooke. Now go ahead and stitch it down like so. After stitching, I'll go ahead and measure from the shoulder line to where I want the stitching to stop, and I will measure 11 inches where I want my armhole. I'm leaving 11 inches for the armhole. Then from that place I will just sew the remaining down. And after sewing, this is what you will have. Please like, subscribe,